How to view email and password in Outlook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Outlook application. Then tap on your profile icon from your top left corner. Now go to settings. After that, scroll down, then go to account. Select your account and then see if you can find your password in the account description. You can see your email but cannot see your password. So what you will have to do is go to Google and then tap on this three dot from your home screen. Go to your browser, Chrome browser or any browser where you have logged in Outlook. Then tap on this three dot, go to settings, go to Google Password Manager. Unlock your Google Password Manager and see if you have saved your Outlook password there. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.